This is module 3, employee involvement. These are the topics: motivation, employee surveys, empowerment, teams, suggestion system, recognition and reward, gain sharing, performance, appraisal, unions and employee involvement, case studies. Employee involvement is one approach to improve quality and productivity. It is a means to better meet the organization's goals for quality and productivity. Motivation. Which starts from survival, security, social, esteem, and finally self-actualization. This is called as Maslow's hierarchy of needs. This is another diagram for Maslow's hierarchy of needs. It starts from physiological, then safety, then love or belonging, then esteem, and finally self-actualization. Herzberg's two-factor theory. Two-factor theory distinguishes between motivators, example, challenging work, recognition for one's achievement, responsibility, opportunity to do something meaningful, involvement in decision making, sense of importance to an organization that give positive satisfaction, arising from intrinsic conditions of the job itself, such as recognition, achievement, or personal growth, hygiene factors, example, status, job security, salary, fringe benefits, work conditions, good pay, paid insurance, vacations that do not give positive satisfaction or lead to higher motivation, though dissatisfaction results from their absence. The term hygiene is used in the sense that these are maintenance factors. These are extrinsic to the work itself and include aspects such as company policies, supervisory practices, or wages or salary. Employee wants. These are the factors and their employee rating and manager rating. Interesting work, appreciation, involvement, job security, good pay, promotion or growth, good working conditions, loyalty to employees, help with personal problems, tactful discipline. Achieving a motivated workforce. First one, know the self. Second one, know your employees. Third one, establish a positive attitude. Fourth one, share the goals. Fifth one, monitor progress. Sixth one, develop interesting work by job rotation, job enlargement, job enrichment. Seventh one, communicate effectively. And finally, eighth one, celebrate success. Employee surveys. Employee surveys help managers assess the current state of employee relations, identify trends, measure the effectiveness of program implementation, identify needed improvements, and increase communication effectiveness. Step 1, the Quality Council to create a multifunctional team. Step 2, the team will develop survey instrument using in-house and external expertise. Step 3, administer the survey. Step 4, results are compiled and analyzed. Step 5, determine areas for improvement. Empowerment. Empowerment is investing people with authority. Its purpose is to tap the enormous reservoir of potential contribution that lies within every worker. In order to create the empowered environment, 3 conditions are necessary. First one, everyone must understand the need for change. Second one, the system needs to change to the new paradigm. Third one, the organization must enable its employees.